Bitcoin is officially broken down below a crucial structure support at $26,965. And as long as whales continue moving money out of the market, I think the price is going to continue crashing. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about where I think Bitcoin is heading next and what you can do about it to prepare for the next move up in cryptocurrency. And before we get into it, I want to let you know you have just a few hours left in the spring sale where you can get up to $450 off all Trade Confident indicators. You're going to need these indicators as we begin looking for the next move up, so be sure to grab them up to $450 off. Links are in the description. More on that later. I also want to let you know we have a long-awaited future forecast video where we show you how we've been able to make between $300 and $800 trading Riot every morning this week. If you're looking for a way to day trade for 30 to 45 minutes in the morning and make some quick cash, I think you're really going to like this. Do not miss this video. It's members-only content, so be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description. With all that in mind, let's check out the charts. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. I'm going to take you down to Bitcoin, and the first metric we're looking at today is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. We are currently in anxious territory, and most often when we see this is going to be bullish. There's a chance, however, if the price continues dropping, that we are going to drop all the way into fearful, and once this happens, this is when we're seeing really big moves up. You can see right here in fearful, move up, fearful, really big move up, fearful right here, move up, and so on and so forth. So if we drop into fearful, that is when I'm expecting the next really big move up in Bitcoin. Next up is the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We're seeing a bit of a medium level of volatility right here as the price has crashed in pretty much a straight line down. As we begin moving up, we may see some diminished volatility as we kind of move sideways for a bit. It's hard to tell for right now, but moving on to the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric, we are seeing a ton of long trade sentiment in the market. When we see values of around 600 to 800 on this chart, this is when we can really expect moves back up in the market. That is exactly where we're at. And with that, I think whales could begin buying in soon. Next up is the Bitcoin major support and resistance level. This is one of the most important metrics today. As of today, we have crashed below $26,965, with the only next structure support being $25,288. This was kind of a mythic level. This was a really big level that we were really fearing as we pushed up above $31,000 here. We are moving back down, but this is very healthy. In the previous bull markets, there were major corrections, sometimes dropping as much as 40% before we saw crazy moves back up. But Bitcoin has always moved up. Even if it takes a month or two, I'm personally not worried about this. I think we could be seeing a rebound off the $25,288 structure support. And I say I'm bullish no matter what, because on the Bitcoin long versus short trade charts, we are seeing a just gigantic gap between the long trades and the short trades here. There is so much more long trade volume in the market that I really have no doubts that we're generally trending upwards as of right now, even if we are seeing a little bit of a lower low here. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner, and we recently got a buy signal that resulted in a move up in the market. We've officially dropped below that level, so personally, I'm going to be looking for buy signals within the next couple of candles in the anticipation of the next move up. This is exactly what we need our traders to be looking at, and if you trade cryptocurrency, you're going to want to take a look at these metrics. Even if you don't trade Bitcoin specifically, it's important to keep track of what Bitcoin's doing, because where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market is likely to go too. On top of this, you're going to want to check out the brand new future forecast. This was posted today, May 12th, 2023. Super important video, and if you want to get access to all this and more, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can get full access for $59 a month. This is a super cheap price. It gets you access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website, that members only future forecast video, scalping trade calls, morning brew overview, and much, much more. If you want to join us, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1 day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. The indicators are absolutely crushing this market, and I just got to remind you really quick, $450 off in the links in the description right now until May 12th, 5 p.m. Pacific time. Grab them while you can, but for now, let's check out where we think Bitcoin's heading. Whale money flow shows whales have absolutely tanked Bitcoin. They have been dropping money out of the market like crazy. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and this is exactly what we saw. As whale money moved out of the market, price has moved too. We're also seeing that the trend is very nearly exhausted, with trend exhaustion in the bottom red territory. Both of these combine to be super bullish signals. However, there is basically nothing stopping the price from dropping all the way to this structure support. most often the price, as it moves, will magnetize to certain structure supports and resistances. And the next structure support, it's pretty close here, is at $25,288. So personally, what I'm expecting to happen is for the price to drop to that $25,288 level, with whale money dropping out of the market, with trend exhaustion in the bottom red territory. Once we get price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion completely low, we should be seeing a buy or a strong buy signal for the next move up. If you saw my trading tutorial video yesterday, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But in order for trades to really pull through, you need to follow 3 simple rules. And the first one, again, price versus whale money flow low. If you see that, you can then check the trend exhaustion. We can see here the trend exhaustion is low. That is rule number 2. Now all we need is a buy signal as we approach this structure support. If we get a buy or a strong buy signal, this will be a massive confirmation for the next move up in cryptocurrency. If we get a buy signal at this level in combination with these other 2 rules, this could indicate an absolutely massive move up in Bitcoin, which should bring the rest of the crypto market up with it. Now, from the current price, this is only a drop of about 4%, a little bit like just under 4.5%. This isn't anything crazy, but if you take into account the absolute top of this move, this actually equates to about a 14% move down. This is a major drop for Bitcoin. So one last time, we have price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion low. Those are the first 2 rules. I need my traders to be watching for a buy or a strong buy signal. As soon as you see this, this could be a very strong indication of the next move up in Bitcoin. We'll of course need to retest this structure support, and from there we could see anywhere as high as this level at 28,964. So I'm looking for a bounce pretty quickly here. We will keep everyone updated, but as a trader, you need to be looking for a buy or strong buy signal on the TC top and bottom finder. In order to do that, you're going to have to grab the TC top and bottom finder price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. They're on sale. You can actually get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for up to $450 off right now. You have just a few hours left in the sale, so do not miss out. Grab the indicators at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our spring sale page. The spring sale is ending. It's $450 off all indicators with over 4,000 downloads and counting. These indicators are crushing it. This person made their first trade on October 3rd of 2022, and they are up almost $9,000 just from that one indicator. Speaking of the TC top and bottom finder specifically, with their individual account over 39%. They made 50 trades with an incredible 88% success rate. These indicators are absolutely crushing it. And if you want to get that win rate, all you got to do is grab the indicator bundle pack first using code SPRING50 at checkout. This will include the trend exhaustion price versus whale money flow and several other indicators for you to try out, as well as a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. All you got to do to get that full $450 off is click the indicator bundle pack checkout link, click I want this, enter code SPRING50, click apply. Then what you want to do is fill out all of your payment information here, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 a month as opposed to the normal $749. This is a $400 discount offer. Just click add to cart and you'll get that full $450 off. Make sure your payment information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. Remember, our first 2 rules are met. Price versus whale money flow is low, trend exhaustion is low, and all I need our traders to be looking for now is a buy or strong buy signal at this level. You have just a few hours left on the sale. Do not miss out. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident. I will see you in the next video.